Hi guys, welcome back. Common accounting terms, all the business. So I am explaining about common accounting terms, correct? So now we are going to see another drawings. What is the drawings? The drawings refer to the withdrawal made by owners of a business for personal uses. Personal use. For example, equity means what? Owner is investing the company. The same, that is the capital, correct? The same, that capital, the owner personal use is going to take it money from capital. Okay, that means what is going to happen? It is deducting from owner capital in the liability side of balance sheet. So what happened? The capital, we have to minus the drawings also in the balance sheet. So it's this drawings taking money from capital. Who is taking? Owner is taking. You understand? The simple way, the drawing means the owner taking money from the capital. The owner only invests the money, that is called the capital. The owner is going to take the money, that is called the drawings. Okay. If he is taking the drawings, it is going to deducting from the capital in the liability side of balance sheet. Okay guys, we will see the another term.